So in Unit 2, there's a question in the 3.1 section involving number question 25. This basically is when we were talking about probability and basic counting principles. So let me look at this question here. You're planning a 3-day trip to Seattle, Washington in October. Use the fact that on each day it could either be sunny or rainy, and that each day is equally likely to be sunny or rainy to answer the following question. What is the probability that it rains on exactly one day? Now remember, the probability of an event occurring, so use this P of E, is equal to the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total possible outcomes. So the way to do this, for me, the total possible outcomes is not that hard to do because we know we have 3 days. So day one, we know we have 2 possible event outcomes. Day 2, we know we have 2 possible outcomes. And day 3, we have 2 possible outcomes. And we learned that you just multiply those together using the counting principle. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2. There should be 8 possible outcomes. For me, where I found tricky was how do I count the favorable outcomes? So one of the things we can do is we actually can use a tree diagram. So if I use a tree diagram, so I'm going to just go, so basically we have, like day one, it can be either sunny or rainy. Now the tree diagram, what we can do now on day 2, we kind of extend, well, from the sunny day, the next day could have been rainy, or the next day could have been sunny. Let me keep those in the same order. Sunny, rainy. Just try to be consistent. Instead of bouncing all over the place. It doesn't really matter. You just got to count anyway. But let's just say, well, it could have been sunny or it could have been rainy on day 2. Or on day 1, it could have been rainy. And then on day 2, it could have been sunny or it could have been rainy. So if I'm talking, on day 1, it would be, there's 2 outcomes. One, it would be like 1 out of 2, it'd be like 50% chance on day 1 to be sunny or rainy. That's what they're kind of saying. But if I'm looking at it from day 1 to day 2, it could be like, sunny, sunny. It could be sunny, rainy. It could be rainy, sunny. And it could be rainy, rainy. So let's say there's 4 possible outcomes. 2 of those, it rains exactly one day. So that would be like 2 out of 4, which would have been, still a 50-50 chance of that happening at this point. It raining exactly one day. So if we take this out one extra level, though, if we go out to day 3, notice how now it's got to be like sunny, rainy. From there, make my tree guy. It could be sunny, rainy from there. It could be sunny and rainy from day 2. And it could be sunny, rainy for day 3. So notice now that we're at day 3, we should have 8 possible outcomes. So if we look at that, we'll get rid of this here. That was just 2 days. If we go out to day 3, we should now have 8 possible outcomes. So we could have, if I follow it, I have sunny, sunny, sunny. You could have sunny, sunny, rainy. You could have sunny, rainy, sunny. So if I'm following this pathway, it could be sunny, rainy, sunny. If I'm following here, you could be, sunny, rainy, rainy. You could have then rainy, sunny, sunny. And you could have rainy, sunny, rainy. Then you could have rainy, rainy, sunny. And we could have rainy, rainy, rainy. So by creating the tree diagram, I can see all the outcomes. There should be 8 there. So if I look at those, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 outcomes. Our goal is how many of those are actually rain on one day. So I'll leave that to you to see if you can piece out how many of those actually have just one day of rain in them. So remember, S is sun and R is rain, and we want it to rain just exactly one day. So see if that helps you guide in to this lesson. And I'll stop there.